Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris faster. To truly master speed, focus on efficient piece placement and strategic line clears. You'll learn to anticipate upcoming tetraminos, setting yourself up for powerful combos. We'll cover techniques like four-wide stacking and T-spins, which are crucial for maintaining a high pace and achieving top scores. This approach emphasizes precision and quick decision-making. Efficient stacking is fundamental for speed. Always aim to build a flat, even surface, which allows for flexible piece placement and prevents holes. Keep one column clear, typically on the far left or right, to easily drop in an tetramino for a four-line clear, known as a Tetris. This strategy maximizes points and keeps your board low, giving you more time to react to new pieces. Mastering advanced maneuvers significantly boosts your speed. T-spins, for instance, involve rotating a T-tetramino into a 1x2 gap, clearing lines for bonus points. Finesse refers to minimizing unnecessary rotations and movements, placing pieces with the fewest possible button presses. Also, strategically using the hold function to save a crucial piece, like an tetramino, can set up powerful clears when you need them most. Consistent practice is the only way to truly play faster. Dedicate time to improving your reaction speed and recognizing common tetramino patterns. Always look at the next and hold cues to plan several moves ahead, anticipating how pieces will fit. Maintaining a calm and focused mindset is also vital. Panic leads to mistakes. With deliberate practice and a clear head, your speed will naturally increase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.